I just check my bank account and I'm good. I'm flexing, yeah, cause my singles going off in my hood. I'm flexing, yeah, everywhere I go, you know it's all love. I'm flexing.
Yo, what's cool, Crazy Nation? It's your boy Espy of the Crazy. You know what it is? I'm back again with another reaction. This is to XG performing In the Rain in the Tokyo Dome. Let's get it. Let's go. I'm keen to see this again. Oh. Woo. I'm a sucker for vocals.
Rain on my shoulder, cloud in my head over heels, nothing to fear, 'cause we had each other.
Listen to that. This is my point about that combo magic. Oh my god. That combo is gorgeous.
Rain on my shoulder, cloud in my head over heels, nothing to fear, 'cause we had each other, fought through the weather. There were no other like this. Then it started, hiding it, setting it, baby it's so
Okay, how do you?
you started when time of you still running. Goodbye. See, you've never been like that.
That is a scary trio that we've never seen. We haven't really seen them go to a vocal trio like that, but I would be very intrigued if they ever did it. Maya, Maya, Chiquita, and Julia. Oh my god.
Baby, it's so everything. Boy, why are you started when time of you still running? Goodbye. See, you've never been like that.
Maya.
Yeah, I know it's a shame.
Did I say Chiquita? Oh, whoops. I wasn't meant to say Chiquita. I was meant to say Maya, Chisa, and Julia. Sorry. I didn't even notice that I said Chiquita. Whoops, my bad. You caught me. I didn't even recognize I said that.
Yeah, I know it's a shame, what a pity. You got nobody to blame but you, baby. Night after night, all the time.
Nice, Naka.
Washing all away because you left me in the rain, in the rain. Left me out in the cold with nobody to hold. Can't you see on my side, on my side, on my side? So better wait, what else can I do? Ain't no sign of a light, no umbrella to hide. Still I'm standing here right where you left me. In the rain, in the rain, in the rain.
Ooh, no.
In the rain, in the rain, in the rain.
Ah, here we go. I'm keen to hear this.
Rain, rain, don't go away. Please stay another day. Funny how I don't wanna make you stop, stop.
Okay, Judy.
Every time it drop, drop, drop.
Nice.
It's dry. You got me dancing another day. Funny how I don't
I
wanna
like
make
that
you stop,
run.
stop. Feels every time it drop, drop, drop. It's dry. You got me dancing in the rain.
Hey.
All by myself like common sense. Sometimes our voices can't explain. I don't really wanna think about it.
That Harvey and Maya 1-2 punch. Oh my god. I honestly still think this is my favorite XG song. It's between this song, ironically, the two songs, they're completely opposites to each other. To me, it's between this and probably Woke Up or Howling. It's between those three. But this has become one. This has by far become one of my favorite songs.
It's dry. You got me dancing in the rain. All by myself like common myself
Did
like
he not?
days.
Oh my
Sometimes I just
God.
can't explain. I don't really wanna think about it. Goodbye. And I won't look back. Look back. It was only a game, but I
Okay, Harvey.
save it all in a frame without me playing. Words on a dream. Look back. It was only a game, but I played it. Save it all in a frame without me playing. Words on a dream. All the scars, all the pain. I'm washing it all away. In the rain. With nobody to hold. Can't you see I'm a side, I'm a side, I'm a side. So let it rain, let it rain. What else can I do? Sign of a light, my light of hate. I'm a side, I'm a side. So let it rain, let it rain. What else can I do? Sign of a light, my light of hate. I'm standing here right now. In the rain, 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 in the rain.
Damn, Harvey's improved vocally. Harvey has improved massively vocally. Jesus, she's Oh my god, I love that song. I never get tired of hearing this song. It's interesting and very ballsy what they've done. Because obviously you can hear the vocals. They're very raw. Very, very raw. Very, very raw. Which is such a risky thing. But they did well. They did very well on holding themselves together. And like holding themselves strong. The biggest thing though, with them being raw, is that you see the vocal difference between the vocalists and the non-vocalists. You see it you see the difference. Do you agree, Major? Like, and it's a big difference. Like, it's risky. It's worth it if it pulls off, which it did. They pulled it off, good, really good. But you see the difference of levels of the vocalists, especially Chisa. And the reason why I've been talking about Chisa and Julia is, I feel like in every performance that I've seen, you see the difference on how strong Chisa and Julia's vocals are. Do you agree? I don't know. I don't know if you agree with that. But that's what I've noticed throughout all of the performances that we've seen, is that because it's more raw, Chisa and Julia's vocals stand out. Would you say like a sore thumb? To me, they stand out, like, and it's very obvious on how good their vocals are. Like, it's scary how good their vocals are. Which is interesting. I'm intrigued to see the other songs now, because even in this one, it stands out. But I still feel like I can still hear improvements with the rest of the members, especially Harvey. Harvey sounded great. To me, they stand out. Oh no, that's what I'm saying. I'm not saying it in a bad way. I'm not saying it in a bad, like, but it's, how do I say this? When it's this raw, it's risky. It's just very risky, especially if you compare the rest of the members to the vocalists. Which, let's be honest, people will do that. I'm not saying I'm doing that, but I can picture people doing it. To me, out of all of them, Harvey sounded very impressive vocally. Which shocked me, because I don't think I've ever heard Harvey sing like this. It caught my attention. I was like, oh wow, she sounds really good vocally. Maya, of course, I feel like Maya's like the fourth vocalist in the group. Like, I feel like everyone can back that about Maya. Maya feels like the extra vocalist in the group. Like, she can do both. She can rap and sing. But yeah, this is interesting. I love this song. Every time I hear this song, it reminds me of why I find XG so incredible. Cause I love hearing XG do R&B. I feel like that's why I love Left Right and Shooting Stars. Is because those two songs are very R&B. But to me, this song just shows how good they are. Like, just how good this group is. And it's scary, man. It's so nice to listen to. I wanna hear it again. Especially the start. The start had me in a chokehold. The start has me in a chokehold. The way that this song starts with having Julia and Chisa is just chef's kiss. Especially this. Woo.
Rain on my shoulder, cloud in my head over heels, nothing to fear, 'cause we had each other, fought through the weather, there were no other like this. Then it started, hiding it, sliding it, baby it's so evident. Boy, why are you stuttering? Damn, are you still running in? Goodbye, goodbye. See, you've never been like that, like that. Yeah, I know it's a shame, what a pity. You got nobody to blame but you, baby. Night after night, all the times, all the tries, I'm washing it all away because you left me in the rain, in the rain, left me out in the cold with nobody to hold. Can't you see I'm my side, I'm my side, I'm my side? So better wait, what else can I do? Ain't no sign of a light, no umbrella to hide. Still I'm standing here right where you left me. In the rain, 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 in the rain. Rain, don't go away. Please stay another day. Funny how I don't wanna make you stop. Feels every time it drop. It's dry. You got me dancing in the rain, all by myself like I'm insane. Sometimes our words just can't explain. I don't even wanna think about it. Goodbye. And I won't look back.
I love that
Our words just can't
Poginata.
explain. I don't even
I
wanna
love how powerful her I won't look back part is. Jesus, Julia. Oh my god.
Scars of the pain, I'm washing it all away. In the rain, in the cold, with nobody to hold. Can't you see I'm my side, I'm my side, I'm my side? So let it rain, what else can I do? No sign of a light, no umbrella to hide. Still I'm standing here right
that song. I might be listening to that song for the rest of the day today. I fucking love that song. I swear, man. It's been a while since I've heard this song, so I keep on when I hear it again, I keep on going back to it. And wow. And people are probably gonna ask me, why do you stay away? No, I don't stay away from the song, but it's more like I like at times missing songs. So then I get to appreciate hearing the songs again. And for example, reacting to this performance, it helps me because I'm like, oh my God, this song is so good, you know? And it just gave me, like, it gives me a breath of fresh air where it's like, man, this song is just, like I said, chef's kiss. And I love hearing it. And I love listening to it. But yeah, that's all we're going to say. I really enjoyed this performance. I enjoyed it a lot. I'm keen to see other performances, obviously. But yeah, man, that's all we're going to say. So if y'all like this, give this a thumbs up. Not only that, comment if you want to see more. Subscribe. And remember, keep living a crazy life. And stay blessed. Peace. Latest. Whoop.